So good morning, everybody. I am delighted to welcome you all to our whole school birthday assembly. Talbot Heath is 136 years old today. And each year since its foundation in 1886, the school has celebrated its birthday with a number of very special events. We have our service later on this morning, and we are going to allow the upper five and the upper six to process. But we always start with an assembly, and we ask the head girl and deputy head girl team. They bring the cake in. Everybody has cake at break time. I seem to remember last year that everyone's lips turned blue from the icing. I'm not sure if that's going to happen this year. We have a very special service and lunch afterwards for the upper six, and we have a half day. Every year, school birthday has been a half day. So I thought we could start by looking at photos of the week, can be some memories of the school birthday. There we are, 136 years old, and there is the first school birthday being celebrated here in the quad on this site. And you can see there's absolutely no shrubs, no vegetation in that quad. And there is the school standing behind the lily pond. We have a look at the next few. There again, that's the first one where the VIP guests, and we've got various bishops and dignitaries came for that. Must have been very exciting. So the building was brand new in 1936. And let's have a look. 1969, there we go. We've got the piano and a little bit of a 1960s doily there and tablecloth. And you can see the ties. Pupils were still wearing the ties. And we have governors up on the parapet with staff and upper six doing the readings. It's the same service that we have had, the same hymns, the same readings, the same school prayer, and the procession since the foundation of the school. More recent times, here you can see we've got our juniors in there, our pre-prep, and our head girl teams. And that is probably the last time down at the bottom left-hand side that we actually had the cake live being cut in the main hall. That was pre-pandemic. And then you can see our sixth form up on the parapet there in beautiful sunshine. We always have a lovely day. They said to me when I became head, it never rains on school birthday. Now, Miss Broad, who founded the school, the very first headmistress here, she wanted school birthday to be a half day so that the pupils could go down to the beach. Now, I'm sure some of you will be heading to the beach, but you might not be wearing these outfits. So that is in the 1800s. They would have gone down and they're rather, risque fashion, lifting up their long skirts there to tippy-toe into the water and into the sea with their Talbot Heath boaters on and their ties and shirts. So just to give all of you a flavour, particularly those of you who have not celebrated a school birthday with us live before, what it's all about and what makes it unique. Now, in a moment, we're going to have the head girls wheel the cake down, but first, I'm going live to Mrs. Pugh in junior school. Are you there, Mrs. Pugh?
Hello, Mrs. Holloway. Yes, I'm here. Hello, everybody. Hello, junior school. Hello, pre-prep. It's lovely to see you all. I can see reception waving. So it's a really big happy birthday from everyone in junior school this morning. And I'm really looking forward to coming over to the quad later. So pre-prep are going to come over before break, and then we're all going to come over from juniors after break. And we're really looking forward to joining in. So happy birthday to everybody. So I'm going to hand back now to Mrs. Holloway because I don't want to delay the cake. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Pugh. Looking forward to seeing all our juniors and pre-preppers later. Now, in line with school tradition, the head girls and deputy head girls are currently lighting the candles at the back of my office, and they're going to wheel the cake along down towards me. We're all going to sing happy birthday. And then at the end, they're going to blow the candles out and I will cut the cake and we can all cheer and clap. Right, let's see if we're ready. I'm going to start the music.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Talbot Heath. Happy birthday to you.
Right, if you'd like to blow out the candles. Yay! Here we go. This is when Mrs. Holloway is armed. 136th birthday cake being cut. And everyone will get a piece of that later on at break time. And thank you to our caterers. Look at that, we've got lovely T and H made by our catering team. So enjoy that, everybody. Right, thank you, T. We'll let them wheel it back. Now, another tradition that we have on school birthday is heather. And you can see here, I'm wearing my heather. And this is traditional for the school birthday service. And all staff and governors wear the heather. And this has been grown in the school grounds and picked by the boarders. And thank you to the boarding staff and the boarders. They made well over 100 of these little heather corsages for us to wear today, and you'll see it being worn, and that is another part of our school tradition. Always happens on a school birthday. As I have said, the same hymns, the prayers and the responses have been said during our service since 1886. And although today, for COVID infection control reasons, we can't have the whole school inside the main hall and processing out, we are allowing the upper 5 and the upper 6 to start in the main hall and to do that famous turn on the final syllable of adoration and then process out whilst singing. So I hope they enjoy that. Now, I just wanted to say good luck to all our upper 4 pupils who are doing their Bronze Duke of Edinburgh training tomorrow. I hope that goes well. Thank you to Miss Horgan and Miss Palmer for sorting that all out. And it just remains for me to wish you all a wonderful bank holiday weekend. I think the sun is going to shine for us, and a very happy birthday. See you all later, everybody. Bye.